10-step guide for rolling over a 401k to a Gold IRA without penalty. If you're looking to protect your retirement savings from market fluctuations, rolling over your 401k into a Gold IRA can be a smart move. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process, ensuring you avoid penalties while securing your investments in precious metals. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. 10 Guide for rollover 401k to Gold IRA without penalty. 1. Check eligibility. Before initiating the rollover, confirm that you meet the eligibility requirements. Generally, you can roll over funds from a 401k once you're 59.5 or after a qualifying event, like job termination. Early rollovers may incur penalties. 2. Select a trusted Gold IRA custodian. Choose a reputable Gold IRA custodian who will handle the buying, storage, and management of your precious metals. Ensure the custodian has a solid track record and offers transparent fees. 3. Start the rollover process. Contact your 401k plan administrator and request a direct rollover. With a direct rollover, the funds are transferred directly to your Gold IRA custodian, avoiding withholding taxes and penalties. 4. Understand IRS rules. Make sure your Gold IRA holds IRS-approved precious metals like gold, silver, platinum, and palladium. Each metal must meet specific purity standards. For example, gold must be 99.5% pure. 5. Choose your precious metals. Decide on the metals you want to include in your Gold IRA. Gold offers stability, while silver provides more volatility and potential for higher returns. Diversifying can balance your risk. 6. Select a storage option. IRS rules require your Gold IRA assets to be stored in an approved depository. You can choose between segregated, individual, or non-segregated, commingled, storage based on your preference and risk tolerance. 7. Buy precious metals. Once the rollover is complete, instruct your custodian to purchase the metals. Make sure this is done promptly to take advantage of favorable market conditions. 8. Keep accurate records. It's essential to keep track of all documents related to the rollover. This includes records of your transactions, custodian communications, and IRS forms. 9. Monitor market performance. Stay updated on market trends and how your Gold IRA is performing. External factors like inflation, geopolitics, and currency fluctuations can impact precious metals prices. 10. Plan for required minimum distributions, RMDs. Once you reach 72, you must begin taking RMDs from your IRA. Plan ahead to meet these requirements either through liquidating metals or an in-kind distribution to avoid tax issues. Rolling over your 401k into a Gold IRA can provide a valuable hedge against economic uncertainty. By following these 10 steps, you can ensure a smooth, penalty-free rollover that strengthens your retirement portfolio. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.